day, sir. We are Group 8. I am Cadet Simon Kismario II. So we're here to report it's all about procedures of safe mooring and development and monitoring for a mooring for cargo ship. Mooring operation in the port. So as you can see, mooring operation in the port. So every port authority or seafarers have wearing a proper PPA or PPA. So the position of the rope is very clear, so it can be hit somebody. Next, the master should ensure that the all important factors affect safe mooring of the vessel throughout the duration of the port stay or monitored by the record. They may include weather condition, both of present of forecast. So before the ship going to the port, so they monitoring a weather, so it can be damage the ship. Second, tide and current range. So magdepende po sa tao ba or unas low tide or high tide. Traffic move in the dependency of the applicable interval of the mooring patrols depending upon the above of the factors.
Good day, sir. I'm Cadet Ivan Sabalio. I'm here to discuss the maintenance of mooring equipment anchors. Brake testing. Mooring equipment on board shall be maintained in good working condition so as to secure safety in mooring operation. Planned maintenance schedule include a requirement for annual brake testing of all mooring winches using the test kit provided on board. These include testing brake holding power, rendering an adjustment to ensure rendering of mooring winch brake at optimum stress to reduce the risk of injury from an overstressed mooring. Such procedures must meet applicable OCIMF guidelines, and winch brake should be marked after testing and brakes to be set at the correct tension setting while in use. Record of spare inventory is to be kept on board and used spare replenished. Oil Companies International Marine Forum, or OCIMF, is a voluntary association of oil companies having an interest in the shipment and terminaling of crude oil products, petrochemicals, and gas, and includes companies engaged in offshore marine operation, supporting oil and gas exploration, development, and production. The next topic will be discussed by Cadet Silomin. Thank you.
I am the Cadet Silomin. Replacement of wires, ropes, and tails, tankers. For all mooring ropes, wires, tails, and shackles, a record of certificates, replacement date, and specific winches to which they are fitted is to be maintained. The PMS procedure includes inspection intervals for all mooring equipment and also covers end-to-end and renewal procedures. Specific intensive vessel trading patterns may warrant a more frequent change of spears, such as mooring rope tails. Such intervals may be shorter than the prescribed on OCIMF guidelines. Standard for replacing mooring wires on some tankers designated as below. Head stern lines, replacing 7.5 years and reversing end-to-end 3.75 years. Spring and bearing brace lines, replacing 5 years and reversing 2.5 years.
So next is maintenance of the mooring equipment container ship. So as you can see, some seafarers arranging the mooring or rope so that the equipment is not it can't be damaged. So this is the proper mooring. So next, characteristic of mooring ropes below the mentioned in use should be acknowledged by all staff who are arranged in the mooring operation. So number one, materials and the types of trade. So materials and type of trade. So this rolling machine that the rope is getting through. So safety working load. So safety working load is you should wear a PPE and hard hat and uh, safety for your body so that it can be hit you. So next is number 3, stretching the rate. So this. Number 4, anti-abrasion or water treatedness and the water, etc. So next, for all mooring ropes, a record of certificate replacing date, the specific furnace in which they are fitted, to be maintained of a mooring rope or observe major damage or heavy corrosion report of the company for the replacement. So in this paragraph, according to the owner or any companies, for mooring ropes recording certificate replacement. So every rope that replaced that they must have a date. So for example, um, if na yung mga guba na rope, so dapat naka-noted siya sa record book. So there's no any uh, complaint. So the company is no, hindi sila kinahanglan mag-release sila automatically kay na may record, so they have evidence. So that's all.